So, I mean, the three powerful forces, the three horsemen, as we call it, the dollar index has slipped to a 2.5 month low from 107 sort of levels to about 103 now. Crude prices have moderated by about 14-15 dollars from their recent peak. Bond yields have slipped by about 60 basis points or so. Overall, the setup, at least in November, is looking fairly positive. But given the kind of returns that we have seen in the past couple of weeks or so, do we expect some bit of consolidation to, play ahead?
Hi, Suyesh. Morning. I think, look, all the three reasons or factors which you have pointed out are playing very well out in the market, especially on the US market front. Look, so if you see Nasdaq and S&P per se, they have almost like a 7% kind of a rally in the month of November itself. I think easing of oil is one of the biggest boons for India. Which should ideally play out, and which we have also seen in the OMC's stocks being played out in the market in the recent rally, right? And the US yields easing off and the dollar index easing off, I think both are kind of correlated out there, which is what is fueling the rally in Nasdaq and the IT stocks in US per se. Yesterday, I think the Meta stock was up, but that was for other reasons. But per se, I think the US markets have been doing fairly well. In comparison, if you see Indian markets for the month of November has been more like in a range kind of a setup. They're more consolidating, or they're more kind of spending some time around that level. My sense is market are just bracing up now, and I think we will have some triggers on and off coming here with the elections. I think 3rd of December is the result date for the
Right.
assembly elections, right? And I think that should give market the first impetus, and from there on to general assembly elections, there will be a lot of infra announcements in the market. There will be a lot of capex which will go. There will be a lot of public sector spending which will go in the market. So all that should augur really well for the market. So my sense is market is just about spending time this month around that level, and hopefully we should see a trigger on from here on.